Is the International Day of Education, and it's a very important day because it is an event that is marked globally. It helps countries to think about or to reflect on the importance of education in promoting peace and development across the globe. This year, as you're aware, the theme is the role of youth in co-creating education. The importance of the event today is because it enables us as a state to reflect on what is the role of youth in co-creating education, not them as just agents of receiving education, but how can they be involved in terms of contributing, in terms of ideas, contributing in terms of decision making, contributing as critical actors that can bring change in the education system for purposes of ensuring that education systems are sustainable. So today is a very important day. UNICEF is happy to participate and collaborate in partnership with the Ministry of Education, among other education partners, including Education in Emergency Working Group, in terms of ensuring that we take time to recognize the role of the young people in terms of promoting education. And the events here are providing an opportunity for young people to come up with ideas, to discuss and critically think about what they would want to see around education, and also come up with the solutions in terms of how they would want to benefit from education in general. So it's a very important day in terms of giving young people a voice to contribute to education. One of there are many factors that contribute to children being out of school. The largest of them, especially in Borno State or across Bay State, being poverty, where families are not able to afford education. Another factor is ignorance, where some parents may not be able to, or they don't understand the importance of education or equal access to education for boys and girls. There's also factors around structures not being available in some locations. We have some hard to reach areas where children do not get these services, among many other factors. However, we also recognize the role of the government and other partners in terms of working hard, including UNICEF, in terms of working towards ensuring that all children, including those that are in hard to reach areas, are reached with access to education. And now, as you know, the world is changing very fast. We are also thinking in terms of how do we support, how do we work with the government to ensure that the young people are equipped not just with education but with skills that will enable them be able to survive outside. The job market requires skills that can be relevant in terms of job creation. So we are investing in terms of providing relevant skills, the 21st century skills, to ensure that young people are all-rounded. They are not just learning, but they also get to be supported to earn through getting the relevant skills.